Okay, in this video we're going to make a couple different parts. Pretty simple. We're going to make this shaft, put some threads on it. We'll make this piston. I wanted to show you guys what the sketch is going to look like so you know what we're doing. We're just going to make that sketch and revolve it around the center line. So if we open up a new part, we'll get started. And we want to start by drawing on the front plane, and we're going to draw a circle, center point circle, and we're going to smart dimension it to 0.75. And we'll go to features, we'll do an extrude, and we want to extrude it 18 inches, and we'll accept that. And we're going to do another sketch. We can do it on that face, and we'll draw another circle on the origin, and we'll smart dimension that circle to 0.625, and we'll go to features and we'll extrude that 1.25 inches, and we'll accept that sketch. And okay, now we can add threads to it, and we're not actually going to cut threads into this. We'll just call out the threads for a working drawing. So if you go to insert, you can come down to annotations, and you can do cosmetic threads, and that'll bring you up to this page here. And we can do thread setting. We can choose that circle. And let's see, let's just do blind, so know how far it is. It's 1.25 inches. And we'll accept that. And we'll do threads on this other side, and I'll show you how to show them here in a second. Go to annotations, cosmetic threads, put the threads there, do anti-inch, and we can do it blind, and we'll go 1.5 inches. And we'll accept that. And now if you go to tools, come down here to options, if you go to document properties, you can go to detailing, and you can check this box here that's shaded cosmetic threads, and then you can actually see the threads on there. It's kind of nice. And you can save this part as your shaft. And after you get that saved, we'll do a new part. And now we're going to make the piston. So on the top plane, we're going to open up a sketch, and the first thing we're going to do is draw a center line. So click on the down arrow on line. From the origin, draw a vertical line, and it can be any dimension. And now we're going to start drawing the shape that we have. And I'm going to avoid hitting these dash lines at the moment. And I'm just going to draw a horizontal line over, a line that comes up vertically, one that comes over, up, over. This one you can actually hit that dash line, go up, go over a little bit, come down a little bit, over, and this one can match up with that dash line. Okay, and we'll dimension these. We can just start Smart Dimension. If you hold down Shift and click that line and the center line, didn't do it. And then Shift that line and the center line. We can get a diameter dimension, and we want that diameter to be 0.63, and we want this diameter to be 1.493, and push escape so you get out of the diameter dimension. We want this to be 0.125, and we'll come down, start doing these sides. So we got 0.23. This line is going to be 0.27, and this line is going to be 0.35, and this line is going to be 0.25, and one more dimension. We'll dimension that line there to be 0.125. And you'll see that that moved this line up here. It's an easy fix. If you hold down Shift on that line, click it, and then click that line, we can make them vertical. Collinear, sorry. Collinear is the one we want. And that'll line those up and put everything in the right spots. So we'll accept that. And now we can go to Features, do Revolved Boss Base. We'll choose the center line, and we'll accept it. And that's what you should have. So you can save that part now as the piston. And we'll do one more simple part. We'll open up a new part after you save that as piston. And on the front plane, we're going to do sketch. We're going to, on the origin, draw 2 circles. And we're going to smart dimension the outside one to 1.85 and the inside one to 1.5. And this is for the hydraulic cylinder. And we'll go to Features, and we'll extrude that to 12 inches. Accept it, and save that as your hydraulic cylinder. And those are the 3 parts we're doing for this spot. So you'll have that hydraulic cylinder, you'll have your piston, and you'll have that shaft.